Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel where we empower your existence with focus on your health and vitality. Today, we are going to talk about dealing with stress and how certain foods and fruits can help you with dealing with stress. So please sit and watch till the end of this video. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. And please, if you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscription button. Yes, click. Click on it. Like, comment, and share this video. Don't forget to turn on your notification button to get our videos once they are posted. Well, stress is a big deal. Yeah, it is. And life can feel really busy with work, family, and technology always buzzing around us, right? Yeah. Sometimes it all gets a little bit much, so we wonder how we handle it all. In today's world, we often think of stress and change as the same thing. Well, stress happens when our bodies and mind feel overwhelmed by a change in a situation around us or at home. So in this situation, you have to employ one or more of these simple tips to help manage stress and make everyday life a bit easier for you. So I'm going to run through these tips. Number one thing to do during stressful time is you have to practice deep breathing. Taking a deep breath can really calm body natural stress response. Try breathing in for 5 seconds, holding for 2, and then breathing out for another 5 seconds. How do you feel now that you practice it? Well, it helps your body relax and reduce stress and anxiety. So the second tip I have is that you have to connect with others. We are humans and we thrive on connection. Having people around us, those people who support us, is very, very important for our mental well-being. Whether it is at work, in a group, or doing activities together, it is very important. Try it and you will see. So my third tip is you have to limit social media time. Spending too much time on social media can really add stress. So it's better to spend that time you have with your friends, doing something you enjoy. Moreover, when we put our energy in social media thing, we found out that it encroaches into our night, hence taking some time for our sleep. So my fourth tip, have you really tried a guided meditation? It's a very neat way to take a break from all the busy activities of life. It's the one I always use, which has helped a lot. And the last one, which is what this channel is majorly about, good nutrition. Eating right keeps both our body and mind in good shape. Stress can really drain vitamins in our body. So what we have to do is we have to start eating well. It helps to replenish them, those vitamins lost during stressful time. So here is the deal. We have stress relieving foods like beans, green peas, almonds, pistachios, lots of greens. And when I say green, I mean vegetables and berries. These foods are very high in fiber. They can reduce stress and our anxiety. When you start eating these, your guts and therefore your mood will start feeling better. Try to cut down on the foods that can make stress and anxiety worse. Foods like sugary stuffs, fatty foods, and alcohol. Instead, what do? You have to focus on eating lots and lots of fruits, veggies, beans, whole grains, and lean meats like fish. Therefore, today, I am going to show you how to make a strawberry smoothie that really helps reduce stress. It's easy to take with you when you're busy and it really helps you relax. Join me, let's go and prepare it together.
So right here, I have some strawberry and yogurt. I'm making a strawberry smoothie. I'll be using strawberry yogurt. Some people use milk or ice cream, but I like yogurt because it's good for our stomach and overall health. In my last video, I talked about how good yogurt help in our guts and the good bacteria in our intestine. Then I start by washing my strawberry. I have to wash it very well. The normal thing. Whenever you get fruit, make sure you wash it very well, or more specifically, use salt to make sure that any bacteria is washed off. So I washed it off, and I start by slicing them and preparing them for blending. As you can see, this is my yogurt, my strawberry yogurt. I open them up, prepare them, get them ready. The next step I'm going to do right now is putting my strawberry inside of the blender cup and adding some yogurt. So you add yogurt according to how you want it to taste. But I just want to taste more of the strawberry. So I added a little yogurt. And that is all you need to have your strawberry smoothie. You know, this is so yummy. In fact, this is one of the best I've ever tasted. Some people can actually use other fruits, or you can use blackberry, you can use watermelon, any fruit at all. Is not limited or restricted to only strawberry alone. So there is this ice cream cup I got from Amazon. That's what I'm going to use to store my smoothie. After pouring them in, I'm going to put them in my fridge. Oh, and my kids can never eat this strawberry because they don't like strawberry flavor. I'm going to add chocolate in theirs and put theirs in a popsicle rack. So that's how I'm going to prepare the kids on. As you can see here, it's already in my freezer.
This is the smoothie, the frozen one. As you can see, it's already frozen and ready to go. So when it's done, I put them in an ice cream cup that has a lid. So anytime I'm going out, I just grab one and I move. Then my kids, they don't like strawberry. So I do something like a popsicle over here. So I get this and I put them all. Good. Like this. So they love chocolate. So I add chocolate on theirs. So it becomes so good to eat. And they will always pick this to eat to go to school as snacks. This is really very good.